We're going to be doing a quick video review of the Zagg ZAGGmate iPad case with keyboard. And as you can see here, I have it already covering my iPad. And it has a nice sturdy feel to it. The only thing that bothers me a bit is that the only thing holding in the iPad to the case is tension. It has like these rubberized internal insulation pads that basically serve to hold the iPad in place. It looks really nice. They did a very good job of matching it to the iPad itself, so when you see it, it kind of looks like it came from Apple. It kind of looks like the iPad was made for this case. It doesn't add too much weight. I believe it's only a couple of ounces. So I'm going to open it up right here and just show what it looks like when open. So I open the iPad, and here we have the case itself with the embedded Bluetooth keyboard. And one of the things I really like about this keyboard versus some of the other Bluetooth keyboards available for the iPad is that this one allows you to place your iPad on it in landscape or portrait mode. And the way you do that is by lifting this holder right here, pulling this out, locking into place, and then place my iPad right there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to go straight into notes. I'm going to make sure the keyboard itself is on, and it's worth noting that it has a rechargeable battery, and the way you charge it is with standard micro USB connector. And I believe I should be ready to begin typing. And there we go. So as you can see, typing is flawless. One of the things I really like about the ZAGGmate is the feature buttons that they've thrown on, specifically for volume. I can make volume higher or lower, mute. I could control the iPod functionality, play, pause. I can go into slideshow. I could quickly go into spotlight. I can have the keyboard show up as needed, or remove it for when you're browsing and the keyboard just pops up by itself, that kind of thing. It actually also even has a button to allow you to switch between languages, international mode. So as I mentioned before, the difference between this and some of the other case keyboard combos is that we can easily just switch between landscape and portrait mode, and I think this comes in really handy depending on the application that you need the typing for. But the fact that you're able to do it, I'm a big believer in the more features you have, the better. So even though you may not think it's that critical, the fact that it gives you that functionality, I think, is a tremendous plus. So that's pretty much it for this case keyboard combo. One thing I didn't mention is that it actually has little LED status lights here that tell you when it's charging, when the battery is low, and when it's working. And I'm just going to go ahead and shut it off and show you how quick and easy it is to close this thing back up. Put the stand back down, take the iPad, flip it over, place it right inside. Again, the tension holds it into place. So it's seems pretty tight. It seems like it's pretty secure. I'm not thrilled with it, but it's pretty secure. And there you have it.